Hello and welcome! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to customize the color of braces in the PyCharm editor on Windows 10. Changing the color of braces can help improve your code readability and make your coding environment more visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then click on Color Scheme. Now choose Language Defaults under the Color Scheme section. Then, find and click on Braces in the list that appears. On the right side, you will see a color option. Click on it to open the color picker. Choose your preferred color for the braces and tap on it to apply the change. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save your new brace color settings. Thank you for watching this PyCharm customization tutorial. Changing the brace color is a simple yet effective way to personalize your coding workspace. Feel free to experiment with different colors to find what works best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.